तुम्ही कधी विचार केलाय का आपण ज्या वस्तू विकत घेतो त्याच्या किमती कोण ठरवतं? हॅव यू एव्हर वंडर्ड हू सेट्स द प्राइस फॉर एव्हरीथिंग दॅट वी बाय? देर आर थ्री मेजर पार्ट्स: प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, government interventions, and law of supply and demand. Now let us look at profit margin. What is profit margin? Profit margin is the percentage of revenue which is kept aside by the company as profit after paying all its expenses. कंपनी जेव्हा एखादा प्रोडक्ट विकते त्याच्यातून मिळालेल्या पैशांमधून जेव्हा आपण कंपनीला लागलेला खर्च मायनस करतो तेव्हा जी उरलेली रक्कम असते तीच म्हणजे प्रॉफिट मार्जिन. Now let us look at government interventions. There are three types of government interventions: tax, tariff, and excise duty. Let us look at tax. What is tax? Tax is the money which is collected by the government from people and businesses to fund public services such as buses, electricity, water, etc. आपल्या आईबाबांच्या पगारातून जे पैसे टॅक्स म्हणून काढले जातात ते पब्लिक सर्व्हिसेस मेंटेन करण्यासाठीच काढले जातात. लेट अस लुक ॲट टॅरिफ. व्हॉट इज टॅरिफ? टॅरिफ इज अ टॅक्स विच इज इम्पोज्ड बाय द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑन इम्पोर्टेड गुड्स. दुसऱ्या देशातून जे गुड्स आपल्या देशात येतात त्याच्यावर लागलेला टॅक्स म्हणजेच टॅरिफ. Now let us look at excise duty. Excise duty is the tax which is imposed by the government on goods which are manufactured inside our own country. Now let us look at the law of supply and the law of demand. The law of demand states that when a product's price increases, people buy less of it, and when a product's price decreases, people buy more of it. This law works in the favor of consumers. Let us look at the law of supply. Law of supply states that when a product's price increases, producers make more of it, and when a product's price decreases, producers make less of it. The law of supply works in the favor of producers.